The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Potter.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Peso, right? And it's a girl them says so.
Yeah.
And when we hold on tight, and we not let go. Yeah. So we want to big up Mr. Patterson, not PJ no, Kirk Patterson. Yeah. Because, you know, out of Queens, New York, he's doing some funding and he's helping out the kids. Yeah? And we want to big up the good life, you know, the cameraman, Kino, because you don't know, say Kino. I girl him say so, you know. Yeah, Kino, yeah. Kino and no peanuts, it's Kino, yeah? Yes, I'm a peso as me say, so you know.
The girl them say so.
I tell the girl them so. I think of love. And I think of life, and you're always around. Good life, good life.
Good life.
It's Christmas time. Blessings.
Blessings.
Yes.
Big up.
Jamaica, good life. Still there in Seaview. Whole heap of preview. Good life settings. It's a Seaview. Blessings.
Yeah.
Blessings, you know, they are passed through me for the world show.
Yeah, man, big up to the end of the program, man. Today I'm going to put up some old vehicle, I don't know, rap metal.
Sure.
Me and my virgin Bobo on you, you know? Yeah, man.
Blessed Bobo on you.
So, we there do it, you know?
Yes.
That's how we do it.
7 days of the week.
Yes, King. only feast Sabbath rest.
Yeah.
But otherwise, you just want to put in work. That's how it go.
So we have to cut them up here now?
Yeah, man, I cut them up. Prepare them for the ship I get them, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, because so the work go. They carry it, all of them don't want to see it, you know?
Okay, okay.
So cut and prepare them, and then choose a small donkey where I ride.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't know if you cut them in small pieces that you can transport them.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
True, true.
So there, man, I put in some duty here.
Yeah, because the program here at Jamaica, good life. Yeah,
Good life, you know?
Yeah, where we are island and the positive life.
Yes, King.
So as you can see.
Yeah, I go and clean up Jamaica, take up some of my rubbish, you know?
Clean up Jamaica?
Yeah, take up some of my rubbish there. Go for work, you know, but that's all it's living good. So yeah, Yeah, you know. Folks all over the world can see a Rasta man, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Next we have a chop iron. Chop iron for honest dollar, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
This side.
And this is your honest bread.
This side, that's how we work. We not go thief, we not go rob, you know.
Sure.
We have to work. Traffic maybe we have to do something.
I know.
A rough work, Johnny, man. Rough work.
Rough. Yeah. So a long time now you do this?
Yeah, man. Been in the trade over 15 years. Yeah, it did lockdown in 2010.
Yeah.
And then 2013 it reopened. And we get iron license since then.
Okay.
So we get 2 licenses. One for dealing in the scrap trade and one for transport it.
Okay.
So we there do it.
Official.
I don't have the millions to put up front, so I'll probably get the shipping license too.
Long time. But you strive
we
towards
work and positively ambitious, so stick with time and go and gradually grow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come can show them.
Yeah, man. Watch your edge in my mind, them cut you up.
Yeah,
man.
I see them and show them how I go on.
Yeah, man.
So
all of them here, I cut them up with the axe, man. The axe, a normal tool.
Yeah, let me see.
A normal tool. If I say iron, it a cut them.
Yeah, are you make this?
Yes, sir. I mean, make it, man. So make it got the weld and make him welding piece of pipe on it. So the pipe, all of that, when you drop it, the shockwave no come back to you and so much. So they don't look like crocodile already.
Yeah.
Yeah, scrap work. They are work booze off all there, so you go.
Really.
Yeah.
The battlefield.
Yeah, man, that's how we earn, man.
Yeah, the battlefield.
Yeah, and we encourage more youth want you them see them thing here. Them know say are them way them for turn. Cause gang violence and gun violence not gonna away.
You know where?
We are kill people, we just kill 2 cars.
Yeah, just kill 2 cars. Like that thought there.
Yes, kill
just kill 2 cars.
So we there see we not come, but we there night I do what we do see.
See him here.
Yeah, cause the Gideon.
Still see
So,
him here.
just
Yeah.
keep up the thing, man. Keep up the good work, man. All pause and strength.
Alright, blessings.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Now we are dealing bad. We have some dirty clothes.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I have some money at dirty that everybody dealing bad.
Yeah.
I have some dirty clothes.
When you introduce yourself again once more.
Yeah, man, I'm nifty, you know. I'm up on the gully side. The barber shop is country without a visa, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then low. I would then Seaview.
Yeah, Soviet.
Phase much that.
Phase 1.
Phase 1 in Seaview.
Yeah.
And I'm say Neil, when you explain to the people them and tell them what you explain and what they're gonna tell me. So when you tell them exactly what you tell me a while ago.
You know, say that little project, yeah. It's a little thing on my virgin watch on YouTube and see it go on, you see me?
Yeah.
A friend of mine have a New York named Kirk Patterson.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, I want to get on the program, I want to respond to 5 juvenile trim. And I make him know, say, yo, and 5 single parents we are dealing with. Like the mother them, we grow them kids without a father, and the father them we grow the youth them without a mother, you see me?
Yeah.
And like anybody program this.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
It's a Jamaica good life program.
Yeah, man, I like the good in the community, you know?
And that really good, man, I like. That really good, so that means that the program really will inspire a lot. Because for what I'm going to do, that will inspire a lot. You can help out, see them here.
And I want to tell you that friend you know come from Seaview.
He not come from Seaview?
No, he not come from Seaview.
See that? He's not from Seaview. But he watch the program.
Yeah.
And so have
and say like what I want. Say I get on board and all, you see me?
Yeah. So them kids there, them they here?
Yeah, man, share them.
Yeah. Okay. So them the 3 haircuts. What's your name?
Ronaldo Thomas.
You?
Kenano.
You. So today I get 3 free haircuts. So when I
see a Kirk Patterson.
Yes, a courtesy of Kirk Patterson. So I want to send him a big
Queens, New York.
from Queens, New York. So I want to send him a big thank you very much for the haircuts.
Yeah. Thank you for the haircuts. Free hair.
And
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah. Nifty barber shop.
Live to barber shop.
Yeah. Me, I'm not lie. Really like that move there. But see me that tell you about the program, I used to say, yo, the program is powerful.
Yeah.
Because the way you bring, a change you bring, you know. And where you are do right now, if you never send it to your friend, that means they would even know what I want. So at least you support the program. But me, I will never try to put your on it, make you support me.
But the program will always get bigger once me the pan it.
I don't know.
You know that this is what I call me?
Yeah.
Yeah, call him say in the program will get bigger and better.
I will.
Yeah.
And you come through without visa.
Yeah.
I don't know the place this if you are through without visa. You now forgot no embassy. Nothing at all.
Picture the place.
Picture the place.
Little America.
Little America. I want to probably see it on one of the episodes. But where you get a neat cut, a sharp cut. Me, but now I really appreciate. You see me, and whole heap of thanks to the man himself overseas. Yeah, well I appreciate that, my general. And Jamaica good life. Whole heap of thanks. And well, like so nifty.
Yeah.
See that? That never need no visa, you know. All that need a phone call, no?
Yeah.
No visa.
Just take off.
Yeah.
That's your pass off.
You see me? You just take off. Yeah, you gonna make some people smile when them see this. You know, say, yeah, free haircut. So anything I want to say to the world, you know, you know, say to the world, it's gone, you know. Can you say anything, you end up and get bigger. So what you want to say to the world and to everybody?
I don't really talk much still, you know, just I'm a talent talk for me, you know?
Sure.
Yeah. Because I don't really know money, I don't really trim for money like that. I just come and get a nice haircut.
Yeah.
Yeah. Faded neat, everything.
Well, yeah. You know, so me next time the trimming seat, I'm not going to wait after the kids then.
Big up Nifty, the barber shop on the other side, and big up Kirk Patterson.
Yeah.
It's a good look. Big up good life.
Jamaica good life.
Big up Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah. Man, I say.
That's a good look.
Big up yourself, sir. See there.
Yeah, that's alright.
Access, Jamaica good life. Jamaica good life. Oh, thanks.
Just got me a quick
Jamaica
shape of
good
line
life.
up. Yes.
Come, film now, film. Yeah, go on with me. Shenana, man.
So this is Canadian. Yeah, go big up Kirk.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up yourself, Kirk. You don't know everything set. General. Say a word.
You know the good life.
Yeah, a good life.
Jamaica, good life.
Yeah, Jamaica will say. Yeah.
Big up yourself, Kirk. I don't want to run this side.
I don't want to see your face. I'm not tired. Yeah. See ya, Kirk.
Yeah, don't hide. So big up Kirk. Yes, mommy. Introduce yourself to the world.
Yeah, me name Kadian.
Oh.
I don't know. 5-star general this.
Seaview.
Jiggy Nicholas, the first telephone.
Nearest man? Sure.
Name us Sabrina.
Kadian and telephone. John, no, Kino, I can't believe anything. Go could have done our 3 flasks of rum now. I hate it.
Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Thanks, Uncle Kirk.
And thanks, Uncle Kirk.
Yes, it's. See them. Nifty.
Good life. As we celebrate the good things, the good life, we're inside Nave's barbershop. Yeah? See the big man, yeah? Yeah, Nave. We're talking about Christmas time now. And we want, as them say, the good things them.
Yeah.
But this is not all about the good things. We're talking about the good life.
Jamaica.
So we say in a Seaview, yeah? And we say Jamaica. And we say in the inner city, yeah? Kingston, 11, the good life. Yeah. So we say, oh, if we could love each other. Oh, if we could say we care. Oh, if we could work together. Your hand is mine, my hand is yours. We can save Jamaica. The good life.
Good life.
Yeah.
Jamaica, good life.
I'm out. Good life.
Good life.
Good life.
Yes, man.
Put yourself.
Yes, I am Peso, right? And it's a girl them says so.
Yeah.
And when we hold on tight, and we not let go. Yeah. So we want to big up Mr. Patterson, not PJ no, Kirk Patterson. Yeah. Because you know, out of Queens, New York, he's doing some funding and he's helping out the kids. Yeah? And we want to big up the good life, you know, the cameraman, Kino, because you don't know say Kino. I girl him say so, you know. Yeah, Kino, yeah. Kino and no peanuts. It's Kino, yeah? Yes, I'm a Peso as me say. So you know.
The girl them say so.
I tell the girl them so. I think of love and I think of life. And you're always around. Good life. Good life. It's Christmas time. Blessings.
Blessings.
Yes.
Big up.
Yeah. Yeah, man. All who eat pork, enough pork around. Them that who eat fish, yeah, national dish,
Yeah.
vegetable and things. Yeah. Where you eat, Name?
Name.
Where you eat, Name? Baba man, where you eat?
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
We not trouble me.
Hey, I can't take
Me
it.
not trouble me.
You not trouble me.
We not trouble me.
Yeah, man.
Dumpling.
It's a straight dumpling and vegetables.
Dumpling alone.
Not
He's a dumpling area. He's a meat area. He's a dumpling area.
dumpling here right now. Yeah, man.
Some vegetarians are dumpling area.
Yeah.
Now the good life.
Good life, man.
This is the life.
This is the life, the good life.
Yeah, the vibes. Right. Live and we laugh. Some phone call you still go on. Starting now.
Yeah?
Kirk on the phone.
It's a video call.
Come on the video, brother.
Then I flip up it.
Come on the video. Come on the video.
Connecting.
Nah, go on, this.
Still in that bag.
Yes,
No,
And it's still not grog.
Still not good.
Yes, well, you're one of them, you know. Name.
The girl them say so.
One of them pretty one, yeah. Okay, I know no money not really
No,
there.
no money. When the money I run, I this we get, but when money I run, you know, I'm bigger than this we get.
Yeah,
Understand? When money I run, you get about 10 of this.
Alright.
But right now the money I run, you give me 1 of this.
Why?
Yeah, I'm still thankful for you. Yeah, big up Mr. Person, remember I used
Upful,
it.
upful.
Alright, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
I'll never come back for New Year.
Like, that's how the year grow up. If you grow fast.
Come, boy.
In the good life.
In the good life.
Yeah.
I like that one they do. I like the idea, the good life.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Really nice.
Only the good life.
Only the good life, Papa.
Only positivity.
Yeah. Why you not born on negative spin like a fire for spray, man?
Yeah.
No, I know.
You know what
You're not born on negative right, you know. Everything must be good.
Yeah.
Good. Positive.
Alright, Danny. Bless
So
you.
you let them know say you're cut.
All the best for the new year. All the best for the new year.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No negative for the new year.
Straight.
Yeah?
Good life.
God, love, good life.
Good life.
Peace.
Peace.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Yeah. Kirk, upful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neve.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Danny.
Take care.
Peso. Blessings. Yeah?
Blessings, blessings.
Yeah, man. It's all about us.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.